Hello and welcome back to our channel, Elevate Equities, where we discuss various investment opportunities. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, especially for those who want to get into real estate investing. Real estate investing can be a great way to build long-term wealth and generate passive income. However, it can be overwhelming for beginners to know where to start. In this video, we'll provide an overview of real estate investing and offer some tips on how to get started. What is real estate investing? Real estate investing is the act of buying and holding a property with the intention of generating income, appreciation, or both. There are several types of real estate investments, including rental properties. These are properties that are purchased with the intention of renting them out to tenants. The income generated from rent can provide a steady stream of passive income. Flipping properties. Flipping properties involves purchasing a property, renovating it, and then selling it for a profit. REITs, real estate investment trusts, Equities, are companies that own, operate, or finance income-generating real estate properties. Investors can buy shares in REITs, which provide a way to invest in real estate without owning physical property. Benefits of real estate investing. There are several benefits to investing in real estate, including passive income. Rental properties can provide a steady stream of passive income in the form of rent. Appreciation. Real estate tends to appreciate in value over time, which can lead to significant profits if you decide to sell. Tax advantages. Real estate investors can take advantage of tax deductions, such as depreciation, mortgage interest, and property taxes. Diversification. Real estate investing provides a way to diversify your investment portfolio and reduce overall risk. Inflation hedge. Real estate is considered an inflation hedge, as the value of the property and rental income tend to increase with inflation. How to get started with real estate investing. Getting started with real estate investing can be daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here are some tips to help you get started. Research the market. Before investing in any property, it's important to research the local real estate market. Look for areas with a high demand for rental properties and low vacancy rates. You can also research online, visit open houses, and talk to real estate agents to gather information about the market. Set a budget. Determine how much you can afford to invest and what kind of properties fit within your budget. Consider factors such as down payment, mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance, and maintenance costs. Get financing. Real estate investing typically requires a significant amount of upfront capital. Consider financing options such as a mortgage or partnering with other investors. You can also consider using leverage to increase your purchasing power and potential returns. Work with a professional. Consider working with a real estate agent or property manager who can help you find and manage your properties. They can provide valuable insights into the local market, help you find properties that fit your criteria, and handle property management tasks such as tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance. Determining your investment strategy. There are several investment strategies in real estate, such as buy and hold, flipping, and wholesaling. Determine which strategy aligns with your goals, budget, and risk tolerance. Create a plan. Once you have gathered enough information, create a plan that includes your investment strategy, budget, financing options, and a timeline for achieving your goals. This plan will help keep you on track and guide your decisions as you begin investing. Start small. Real estate investing can be risky, especially for beginners. Start with a small investment, such as a single-family home or a duplex, before moving on to larger properties. Learn from others. Real estate investing is a constantly evolving field, and there's always something new to learn. Join real estate investment groups or attend seminars to learn from experienced investors and network with other like-minded individuals. Be patient. Real estate investing requires patience, especially when it comes to finding the right properties and tenants. Don't rush into any investments without doing your due diligence and carefully considering all factors. Risks and challenges of real estate investing. While real estate investing can be a profitable venture, there are also risks and challenges that investors should be aware of. Here are a few potential challenges of real estate investing. Market fluctuations. Real estate markets can be volatile and subject to changes in supply and demand. Fluctuations in the market can impact property values and rental rates, which can affect your investment returns. Unexpected expenses. Owning a property comes with unexpected expenses, such as repairs, maintenance, and property taxes. These expenses can eat into your profits and require careful budgeting and planning. Tenant issues. Finding good tenants can be a challenge, and even good tenants can cause issues such as missed rent payments, property damage, or lease violations. Dealing with tenant issues can be time-consuming and can impact your investment returns. Legal issues. Real estate investing is subject to a variety of laws and regulations, and investors need to ensure they are complying with all applicable laws. Legal issues such as tenant disputes, zoning violations, and property damage claims can be costly and time-consuming to resolve. Financing challenges. Financing a real estate investment can be challenging, particularly for investors with limited credit or income. Securing financing can take time and may require a substantial down payment or collateral. Real estate investment strategies. There are several strategies that real estate investors can use to generate income and build wealth. Some of the most common strategies include rental properties. Rental properties are a popular strategy for real estate investors. With this strategy, investors purchase properties and rent them out to tenants, generating monthly rental income. Rental properties can be single-family homes, multi-unit properties, or commercial properties. Flipping properties. Flipping properties involves purchasing properties, making renovations or improvements, and then selling them for a profit. This strategy requires a keen eye for identifying undervalued properties and the ability to manage renovations and repairs effectively. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs are investment vehicles that own and manage income-generating real estate properties, such as apartments, office buildings, and shopping centers. Investors can purchase shares in REITs and receive dividends based on the income generated by the properties. Real estate crowdfunding. Real estate crowdfunding allows investors to pool their money with other investors to fund real estate projects. This strategy can provide investors with access to larger, more lucrative projects that they may not be able to fund on their own. Real estate syndications. Real estate syndications involve a group of investors pooling their money together to purchase a property. One member of the group serves as the syndicate manager and is responsible for managing the property and distributing profits to the investors. Remember that real estate investing is a long-term game and requires patience, persistence, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Surround yourself with a team of experts, including real estate agents, property managers, and financial advisors, who can help you navigate the complex world of real estate investing. Ultimately, the success of your real estate investment will depend on your ability to identify good opportunities, manage your investment effectively, and stay focused on your long-term goals. By staying informed, being prepared, and taking calculated risks, you can build a successful and profitable real estate portfolio that provides financial security and stability for years to come. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this overview on real estate investing helpful. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on investing and personal finance. Thanks for watching and happy investing.